Welcome to America. It's time to die. Yes. What are we doing up here on the scary tollway with a little 300? Oh my goodness. On my way right now out to good old buddy Rivet's house. You guys seen Rivet plenty of times in the videos of these points. Good old Rivet. Because we're basically having like an unofficial like Patreon Discord meet. These guys on the Discord literally like planned this for over a year. And I didn't even know how serious to take them. But no, literally like Kurt, for instance, from Canada, from Winnipeg.
Back to Winnipeg!
They actually came. There's like a bunch of people down here right now. Some other faces you recognize. For the whole week, they're just going to be hanging out. We're going to be trying to do different rides and stuff. Rivet's place is like an hour and a half plus away from my house. So it's like, I'm like, they're in town, sort of, you know. I was going to load this up in the truck and literally just truck out there. And I thought, you know, I've spent hours at a time on the highway with this thing, like all day. I think an hour and a half there and back isn't going to kill me. It's also good too. Like, hey, we're really putting this thing through the ringer right here. This engine's just been sitting for the last, you know, 30, 45 minutes at just, you know, 6-7 grand. It's been fine. Water temps have kind of been floating right around there. The pipe looks good. It doesn't feel broke up. Feels good. So I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it. We'll also get to check out Roy's 460 DRZ with fuel injection. It's fun though. I mean, this is actually one of my favorite things to do. I've gotten to do this so many times that like the shock of this kind of thing I'm about to do is worn off, which is the, hey, these are people I've been talking to for like almost, some of them like 2 years online, and now I'm gonna meet them. But how many times have I done that now? Like a freaking lot. So it's not a big deal, honestly. Like, it's just fun at this point. I kind of know what to expect, and it's still fun though. I still love it. What is this thing telling me? I think I have a left-hand exit. Sometimes in Dallas we have these weird left-hand exits. I don't know what to tell you, man. Honestly, I know how to get there. I just threw this up on there so I could zone out, listen to my jams. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to that. We're almost there. That's Roy. That's the fuel-injected DRZ. Crash my bike! I'm just kidding. Oh my god. What's up? What's up, man? How you been, Bubs? How you been? Let me get this off so you can actually see my face. I'm a real human under here. I swear to God. As you know, Matt's FZ07, similar to my FZ07, has been turned into some kind of adventure bike, but keeps doing things that I think about doing, but takes him a step further. He now has the entire Tanneray 1200 front end on there, so he's got 19-inch wheel, inverted forks, more travel. The stance isn't like that back here. Let me sit on it.
The front suspension's still a little stiff.
It's not too terribly tall. Now my seat gets you up a little bit higher.
Yep.
So, but that's fine. I was really worried about putting this front end on that you'd end up like this. You do have more, what do you have, almost 2 more inches?
Almost 3 inches more travel in the front.
Now, Matt's done the formula, so he knows how to do this. So if you want Jake to do this. We've been literally working on bikes for like hours. I got that 230 over there running. Rivet and his dad and a handful of other people got this Ninja 250 which Kurt's on.
Join the Patreon.
You join the Patreon. Oh yeah, it's fuel-y injected. And here's what's fun is this throttle body. This is okay, I'm gonna ignore that for now. That's a CRF300L throttle body right there he got. What's dripping out of it? Don't worry about it? I don't know. Sorry. That thing's bored and stroked out. It's got the long 5-speed in it where the whole case is split. You gotta shave things to put that in. It's got a lot going on. It's interesting. I'm gonna leave it at that. It's interesting. Rivet's taking us somewhere. I don't know. On the it's my head. I don't think anyone's on the 230 right now. Oh, there he is! Woo! It looks so good. It does not look wrong. Oh. Yeah, I mean, that obviously wasn't gonna work, but you know. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Roy! There he is! He's not dead! I miss riding with all the guys. This kind of takes me back to when you could kind of get away with this stuff, you know? Before the rides got too big and crazy. Maybe that's the key, just kind of keep it to the Patreons. I know that's gonna sound like, oh, you so what, I gotta join the... Hey, look, I'm just saying, like, that's kind of a, like, it makes it work. This is a good level of boys, right? This is a good group of boys!
We're all gonna die together out here.
It's an interesting helmet. I wonder where he got that helmet. It's almost like somebody used to work with a company and doesn't work with that company anymore. And you know, it's not a bad helmet, but you know, he doesn't work with that company anymore, so what's he gonna do? He gives it to his buddy. And if you just keep doing it for free, you devalue yourself. For any of you out there on YouTube, or an influencer, anybody who gets products, remember things like that. It's all stupid chaos, which is appropriate. It's what it's supposed to be. Let's see, come on. Let's see who's is faster. Well, if Roy gets that thing tuned right, it should most definitely be faster. He's committed. He's doing it. Perfect! It's a drone, boys! It's a drone! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Go take it for a spin? Wait, let me get on a bike and I'll chase you with this one.
Join the Patreon.
Roy, does yours work?
It has a weird idle.
I'll just take Roy. I'll take his right now.
Oh, what?
Well, okay, fine. I'll take it, riding one-handed. Ah! It's a project. This is a stalker DRZ, isn't it? Are you gonna give me a smoke show here, Kurt? Oh no, my bike's broken! Oh my god! And this bike's broken too! Jesus Christ! Oh! It's a good bike. Can't go wrong with a good old DRZ. A race? Yeah. Sure, let's go. All right. Just go when you're ready. Your second gear. smoking! Oh, God! You fools! You think I don't know the smell of WD-40? Ha 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 ha! Ha ha ha! We got one of them. Okay, that was a bit of fun. We need to get back, though. There's the police. I just gave them all the tap. I want to take him into Dallas one day. I want to take him into, why is he putting, he's just stretching, okay. So I'm trying to show me something's on the road. And Matt! I gotta take him up to some of the stuff I know on the north side. And, you know, I want to show him some different things. We're even gonna go to the zoo one day. I'm not gonna film any of that because I'm really taking my family with me too. They're like, can we go to the zoo? I was like, absolutely, but I'm taking my kids. But yeah, we'll show them a little bit of this and that, and I think it should be a pretty good time. It's a very silly time. I'll tell you that much. It's a silly time. All right, that's been a good day. Good times. Join the Patreon.